How to convert image to Word document. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can convert image into a Word document. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up Word in your device. Select blank document. Now you have to insert the image that you want to convert into Word document. Click on insert. And here click on pictures, go to this device, and from your device you have to select the image. So for example, I have this image right here, then click on insert. Once you have added the image, now again head over to this file option at the top left corner, and here click on save as. Select the location where you want to save your document. For now, I will just save it in my desktop. Click on desktop. You can rename your file. Under the save as type, click on this drop down. Now from here you have to select PDF and you have to convert your image to PDF. Here click on save. So once you have converted your image into PDF file, now you can close this. Again, what you have to do is you have to head towards the file option at the top left, click on it, and here click on open. And head towards your desktop. Now you have to open up the same document that you have converted into PDF recently. So I have saved that PDF file into my desktop. Here is the file that I have converted to PDF recently. Select the file, then click on open. You will see this kind of pop-up in your interface. Here click on OK. Now you can edit your document. So in this way, you can convert image into Word. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.